Musamseleku all the time was with Makhumalo because Makhumalo is an understanding person. She is intelligent and matured person. He was not in love with Makhumalo or to have feelings with Makhumalo. All the time when they are shooting the content, he doesn't want to be too close with Makhumalo. But when it comes to Mayeni, Mangwabe, and Macele, he can be too close to them or to have kiss with them. I think Musamseleku wasted her time. Musamseleku wasted Makhumalo's time. That's why Makhumalo, she is very hate, guys. It's hate that you can spend more than 10 years with a man who doesn't love you. Even Macele knows that. You know that Macele was asking Musamseleku why you didn't put effort to say we have to attend Makhumalo's umembezo because Macele says to Musamseleku, you don't love her. I remember on season 7. Macele knows that. That's why Macele, she can say whatever she want to say to Makhumalo. But now Makhumalo, she is responding everything. Guys, Makhumalo is very hate. Imagine, guys, you can spend more years with a person who doesn't love you, especially they don't have kids. I don't know Mangwabe that he love Mangwabe or maybe is doing it for his kids. I don't understand. But Musamseleku loves Mayeni and Macele most of the time because when he meet Mayeni and Macele, they don't have kids. What I understand. Mayeni and Macele are Musamseleku's girlfriend, real girlfriend. They don't have kids, so that's why Musamseleku is more attached to Mayeni and Macele. Maybe if Mayeni and Macele, the two of them, they manage to give Musamseleku's 20 kids, maybe Mayeni can have 10 kids, Macele can have 10 kids. I don't think that there is need for more wives. Even with Masaule, yes, Masaule was like Makhumalo. Masaule was an understanding woman. That's why Musamseleku got married to Masaule. But Musamseleku was more in love with Mayeni and Macele. Guys, Masaule came in Musamseleku's life, and Musamseleku decided to marry Masaule. But he was in process all the time. He was trying to talk to Mayeni's family to took a decision that they have to marry Mayeni. If it was Mayeni and Macele that they can give Musamseleku those kids, 10 kids, I don't think that there is need for other wives. Guys, Mangwabe, she is not stupid, that woman. Mangwabe saw it that Musamseleku, what you want from her is kids only. I don't know because when it comes to Mangwabe, sometimes it looks like he is pretending, like what I saw to Mangwabe. But when it comes to Mayeni, Musamseleku loves Mayeni more than other wives, Mayeni and Macele. Musamseleku, he is deep in love with Mayeni and Macele. Why Musamseleku, he is in love with Macele? He meet Macele, she was a girl. Macele was a real girl. You understand it? So that's why Musamseleku, he is more in love with the two of them more than other, because Makhumalo, Mangwabe, and Masaule, they have got kids at that time. You understand? He want to marry them to have kids, not to other, or that he was deep in love, especially Makhumalo. That's why you saw Makhumalo, she is very hate. It hates, guys. You can you say my husband, like guys, it hates that you waste your time more than 10 years and you are deep in love with that person, but you find out that person doesn't love you. How do you feel? How do you feel as a person? So when you saw Makhumalo is acting like that, people don't judge it, and people don't like that. Marriage is a very beautiful thing. Marriage is very beautiful thing with a man who loves you, not with a man who doesn't love you. So sometimes we have to be careful when you saw we are giving advice to a person. Don't advise a person wrong things. If she is not okay, Makumalo, you have to leave that marriage.